Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Paloma cocktail. Now this is a really popular cocktail in Mexico. The base is tequila and grapefruit. I'm going to show you two ways on how to make it. I'm going to show you an easy version for parties and big crowds, and another version we're going to make it from scratch. I'm going to leave the recipe in the descriptions for you. Alright, let's get to the ingredients first. Alright, so we're going to start with the easy recipe. For this cocktail we're going to need tequila silver. I'm using Hornitos today, grapefruit soda, fresh lime juice, and also we're gonna need a pinch of salt. Alright, I'm gonna start by adding ice into a glass. Next, I'm gonna add half ounce of fresh lime juice. Then I'm gonna add a pinch of salt, 2 ounces of tequila, and I'm just gonna top it off with grapefruit soda. Just gonna mix this a little bit, and we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Paloma the easy way. Now I recommend this for big crowds. It's gonna save you a lot of time. Let's give this a try. Actually, it's pretty good. All right, let's move to the next one. All right, so for the next variation, the Paloma, we're gonna make it from scratch. It does require a little more work, but it's well worth it. All right, so for this cocktail, we're gonna need tequila, simple syrup, club soda, fresh grapefruit juice, and fresh lime juice. Alright, so I'm gonna start by rimming a glass with salt. Now I'm gonna add ice into a mixing glass. Next, I'm gonna add 2 ounces of fresh grapefruit juice. Half ounce of fresh lime juice. Half ounce of simple syrup. And 2 ounces of tequila silver. Now I'm just gonna pour it into the glass. And finally, I'm just gonna add a splash of club soda. Just gonna mix it a little bit. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the Paloma cocktail. Alright, if you guys liked the video, give me some thumbs up. If you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't yet. And as always, until the next one, cheers!